I'm here on the waterfall trail in Indian Valley. Do you hear that? It's wind. And it's water. And when there's water, there can be life. And that's really exciting, because this week we're talking about the history of life. And right here in this creek bed, we have all kinds of different types of life that have shown up at different times in the fossil record over the history of life on Earth. Here in the water, we have some single-celled prokaryotic organisms, little bacteria. We've also got some single-celled eukaryotic organisms, protists like algae inside the water. Over here on this rock, right there, we've got some multicellular organisms that do photosynthesis, some moss on the rock. That would have showed up probably way back in the Precambrian era. So moss has been around for a really long time. Then we have some more recent plants that have shown up, like this guy here. Where are you? That is a buckeye tree, and that's a flowering plant, so it wouldn't have shown up until the Cenozoic era, right around when the dinosaurs were coming around. And then finally, do you hear that? There's some birds tweeting up in the trees. Those guys will have shown up relatively recently, because those songbirds, we would have had ancestors of birds back when the dinosaurs were around in the Cenozoic, but modern birds have only probably been here for a few million years. And then there's me. I'm a human. And humans have only existed on Earth in our current form for about 250,000 years. So I'm probably one of the most recent things to show up here on Earth. All right, with that, go ahead, watch the video as we go through the history of life on Earth, Chapter 17 notes. Jot down those Chapter 17 notes. Tomorrow, you'll have some questions to answer from Chapter 17, and then there's a real quick quiz at the end of the week for Chapter 17. It's just 3 questions, some vocab to define, and 2 longer form questions. And then finally, due on Friday, you have your evolution song, and that'll round out our evolution unit. Enjoy!